Hi everyone, so we are a student at Sorsogon State University, an engineering student, and this is our project in Advanced Math. And in this video, we will be demonstrating you how we use Python and making a Muller's method and its processes, steps, and procedure so that you can also make it. Let's go. Now let's begin our demonstration. So before that, let's do the overview of the technique. Let me introduce to you what is a Muller's method. So a Muller's method is a root finding algorithm, a numerical method for method solving equations on a form of f of x that is equal to 0. It was first presented by Dr. David E. Muller in year 1956. Muller's method proceeds according to a third order recurrence relation similar to the second order reassurance relation of a second method.
Programming language use. In this project, we use Python programming language and run and completely using Visual Studio Code. Scope and delimitation. The program numerically finds a real root of a single variable. Real value function using Muller's method. It is specifically designed to solve equation of the form function of x is equals to 0, where function of x can be modified in the code. The program accepts 3 initial guesses and interactively computes the root. It displays each interaction's values and the final root approximation. The program is intended for educational and demonstration purposes. The program only solves one equation at a time. It requires the user to manually edit the function and initial guesses in the code. It does not handle complex roots or system of equations. The method may not converge for all function or initial guesses. The program does not provide a graphical interface. It runs via the command line or terminal. Error handling is basic, example division by 0 and non-convergence.
I'm going to discuss the sample problem. A small company of developing algorithm to model the growth of a new online community. The projected number of active users in thousands after X months is the given function of fx is equal to cubic x minus 2 squared x minus 5. The company goal is to determine when the community will reach the point where it is the growth of model prediction zero net chance an active user, i.e., when fx is equal to 0, indicating a potential of stabilization or a critical point for strategy adjustment. Initially, the development team has made 3 rough estimates for the time that it might be taken to reach this critical point. Estimate 1 month x0 is equal to 1, estimate 2 months x1 is equal to 2, estimate 3 months x2 is equal to 3.
So the first step is to go to this link and download the latest version of Python for Windows if you are using a laptop, which is the 3.13.4. Once downloaded, open the file, and before installation, never forget to check the box that says Add Python to Path. And now we can install. Python is a programming language installed to your computer for its ability to interpret and run Python programs. And as we can see, sometimes it may take a while before for it to be installed. Next, open Visual Studio Code and at the left part, click the extension view and search for Python. It is powered by Microsoft. Install it to our VS Code. The Python extension enhances the user experience for the development in VS Code, making the editor smarter about Python and providing a seamless interface to the Python interpreter and related tools. We can now proceed in creating the file. Click File, and the New File, and write the file name in this format. Never forget the extension .py to recognize that this file is a Python. Save it and remember where it is located because we will use this when we run the code. The next step is to paste your code for Muller. Which is like this. The code you write within VS Code is the blueprint or instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task, and there are multiple open source projects that can help in generating your code such as GitHub. To run the code, click Terminal and then New Terminal. This will appear. In this part, you'll need to write where is the file located, which is the CD documents. Next, in this part, you need to put in what is the file name, which is Python Muller _ method.py. Press enter and then we'll get this. The output shows that the first to the third iteration shows that it is close to 0 but not exactly 0. In the fourth iteration, the method converged to x sub g is equal to 2.690647, where f of x sub g is sufficiently 0,0,0,0,0. The output means that, according to the tax company's user growth model, f of x is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 minus 5. The projected time when the net change in active users becomes 0 is approximately 2.690647 months.